Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to allow access to this device's contacts on your account on Roblox easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, now click privacy. Here as you see you'll find it, just click on it and it will be turned on. That's how to turn on how to allow access to this device's contacts on your account on Roblox easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.